Hey, hey, hey. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button down below. So welcome back guys to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this beautiful YAKI hair that I got from Amazon for my birthday, because my birthday is coming up. It's gonna be June 23rd. So if you guys want to see how I come about this hair, stay tuned and watch the whole video. So yeah, so without further ado, okay guys, so now I'm going to show you guys the wig. I already opened it but it's the JOEDIR hair from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. I think it was for like $38 or $50. I don't really remember. I have to go check how much it was, but I think it was around 50s. It's a lace frontal YAKI wig. I got it in the color 1B and it's synthetic hair, of course. So in the box it will come with a wig cap, and a free eyelash, and it will come with a wig grip also. They gave me the burgundy one, but yeah, it will come with a wig grip also. And this is gonna be the hair. It is actually pretty soft. Okay, so this is the hair, the YAKI texture. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it comes with a lot of baby hair. And this is the frontal. It's brown, but I think it's still not my color, but I don't know. We'll see.
Won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool.
And it comes with two combs from on the side, of course, as always, and one comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And that's where the lace front go.
Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind. And ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
So as you could see, I did not have to do anything with this hair. I just took it out from the box and then I just put it on, and that's it. And I cut the closure and styled it. And this is the result. Like, wow. Mind you that if you are going out like to the beach where there's wind, a lot of wind, you are gonna have to glue it down like right here, but I'm not gonna glue it down since I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, this is the only part that I don't really like. This I don't like gluing down my wigs anyways, but if you are going out, you need to glue this down, you know. Yeah, and you can do this also because there's part. Wow, this is pretty cool. This is really pretty cool. Like, wow. But I'm gonna leave it in the side part because I love side parts. I'm gonna show you guys how long the hair is. It's 24. It's the straight YAKI wigs 24. And I'm gonna show you guys how long it is. I'm 5'8" and the hair is 24. So if you're tall, it's still going to be like above your butt. So that's what I like about this too. Do you guys like this look on me? Even if you don't like it, I love it. Okay, like I'm not even kidding. This is the first hair that I really fall in love with, because like it really looks like my hair. Like it's not even funny. Like I look like I'm natural.
Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
So this was pretty much it of the video. Do not forget to click that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. And if you guys haven't watched my other videos yet, do not forget to go watch my other videos that I just posted, and see you guys next time.